Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So here in this video, I'd like to show you how to create the simple closing video through the Capcut, and it is very simple. So have you ever watched the closing of the video or movie like this? So it is very simple to create it in CapCut, and let's get into it. So I will start off with the new project here. I will click the new project and I will go to the library and I will choose the black picture here as the base of the our project. And I will also delete or remove the watermark here. Then I will go into the first second and I will also choose the aspect of the ratio and I will choose this 9 and 16 and apply it. And after that, I will start to add the text. Let's say since we would like to create the closing video, that I will type the see you soon. And after that, I will go into the font and I will choose the thick one, this rubric, and the effect. Then I will choose this one and apply it. Then I will slightly zoom this or expand or add the font size of this wording or the letter. Then I will export it first. Oh, I'm sorry. 720 is enough and export it. It will take you a while to export the video. Then I will done with that and I will click again the exported video that we have just create. Perfect. After it's already uploaded or imported into the project, I will remove the watermark first. Then I will select this clip. Then I will slide the menu until I found the mask. Then I will choose the horizontal. For this dot or the screen, I will slide it a little bit down. Then I will add the keyframe here and I will just okay with that. And I will also adjust the shadow. After that, I will slightly move this point a little bit. Then I will rotate it with my two fingers. Be careful until it's already 90 degree. Oh, I'm sorry. It is enough or it is okay if you only able to rotate it until the 91 degree. Then I will move this clip until the last second and add the keyframe and adjust it. Then I will move or slide this point to the right until the letters or the words is gone. Then let's see the result. That's it, guys. You can also add the graph here. Don't forget, you can usually add the graph into the first second. Here. Then I will choose, let's say, the quad n or the is in. It is okay too. I think the is in is suitable for this effect. That's all, guys. Don't forget to practice it into your device, and please let us know if this trick also works for you. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. And don't forget and don't be hesitant to put your request or feedback on a comment down below, and we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.